Hello there, Lake County Library. This is Christy Lewis from the Lakeport branch, and today I'm bringing to you our very first garden book haul. I'm very excited to show you all these books about gardening and plants. Before I jump into them, I just want to let you know that you can order any of these books for free using our Lake County online catalog. All you need is a Lake County Library card, and if it's been a while since you've used it, just make sure that we have your information so that we can let you know when the book arrives at the library branch of your choice for you. So all you need to do is copy and paste the author names and titles of the books, which are listed in the description of this video down below, straight into that library catalog and request the book to the library of your choice. Without further ado, let's jump into the book haul. First, we have Survival Gardening by Sam Coffman, which will teach you to grow your own emergency food supply in post-disaster situations. In this book, you will learn how to grow superfoods in just 1 week, to choose the most nutrient-dense foods to grow, to garden without store-bought supplies, to pack your root cellar and pantry with food for the winter, and to cultivate perennial food crops for reliable nourishment with little work. Next, we have Pruning and Training, published by DK. Learn to make the perfect cuts to help your plants flower and fruit to their full potential. Discover when, where, and how much to prune and train more than 800 garden plants. It includes visual step-by-step guides and expert tailored advice for each plant. Indeed, I found some tips for pruning my mimosa tree in it. Pruning and Training is also available on ebook. Next, we have Good Nature by Kathy Willis. A University of Oxford study revealed that hospital patients improved 3 times faster when they could see trees out of their windows instead of walls. After reading this study, Willis spent 15 years researching what happens in our bodies, physically and mentally, when we interact with nature. Good Nature reveals Willis's findings and shares simple changes that we can all make. Good Nature is also available on ebook. Next, we have A Life in the Garden by Barbara Damrosch. Beautiful and informative tales and tips for growing food in every season, from a lifetime of wisdom and experience. Barbara Damrosch's writing has the snap of a good snow pea and the spice of an old rose. It includes essays and color photographs throughout. It also has chapters on all 4 seasons, on categories of veggies, and on her philosophies of gardening, and more. Next, we have The Food Forward Garden by Christian Douglas, which is a complete guide to designing and growing edible landscapes. Learn how to integrate edibles into decorative landscapes. What if we let vegetables, herbs, fruits, and berries share prime real estate alongside our patios, pools, and even our front walkways? The beauty and seasonal rhythms of edibles can bring a new level of purpose, meaning, and visual pleasure to the home garden. The Food Forward Garden is also available on ebook. Next, we have Martha Stewart's Gardening Handbook, which is the essential guide to designing, planting, and growing an outdoor oasis, whether your goal is to grow a vegetable garden or flower beds. Topics include designing specialty gardens, native plants, planting for year-round interest, amending the soil, and a month-by-month garden calendar. You'll learn how to understand your soil, different gardening methods, and more. Martha Stewart's Gardening Handbook is also available on ebook. Next, we have The Permaculture Garden by Hugh Richards. Permaculture is defined as the development of agricultural ecosystems intended to be sustainable and self-sufficient. The Permaculture Garden will teach you how to create a sustainable garden, design your growing space, make organic plant food, reap harvests all year long, and much more. The Permaculture Garden includes photography and step-by-step instructions. Next, we have Propagating Plants, also published by DK. This guide will teach the thrifty gardener how to save money by raising plants for free. Follow the advice of experts who explain step-by-step how to grow more than 1,500 plants from seeds and cuttings by division, grafting, layering, and more. Next, we have Grow Your Groceries by Simon Akeroyd. Grow Your Groceries includes 40 simple and fun hacks for growing plants from supermarket food. Raise tomato plants from tomato slices. Collect strawberry seeds for endless strawberry plants. Pick salad leaves from beetroot tops. Split tea bags for flowering chamomile. Grow fresh cobs from popcorn kernels. Save your melon seeds and spring onion trimmings to grow new plants instead. Grow Your Groceries is also available on ebook. Next, we have The Ultimate Guide to Planting and Growing Vegetables at Home by Cooke, which is an all-in-one reference for beginners or experienced gardeners. Some books that claim to be great for beginners, I look through and I think, no, it's not. But this one, yes, it is. The style is easy to read and the subjects are easy to identify. It includes reference sections about composting, controlling pests, and detailed vegetable profiles with info on planting, spacing, maintenance, and troubleshooting. And finally, we have Plants for the Winter Garden by Warren Leach. Though many plants go dormant in winter months, there are many inspiring cultivars and varieties that hold their interest through cold and snow, including brightly colored berries, dazzling winter flowers, and dried seed pods. Discover how to incorporate structural elements like stone walls and paths, accentuate plant shapes that hold their form year-round, and much more. That is it for this garden book haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you order any of these books, please let us know in the comments, or if you have any questions, we also really love to hear those from you. Take care until next time. Bye-bye.